Welcome to CJM Farms, building something from nothing, rocking it. Hello everybody, just seeing how you're doing. Just actually looking at harvest here. I'm kind of recording this for Carmela too because she had to work today, so. But anyways, lots of red tomatoes. I don't know if you can see it. Let me show you up here. Just tomatoes all the way through. Oh, they look amazing. I'm just gonna be playing around the garden. I'm gonna harvest a whole bunch of them. And yeah, I thought it was actually gonna be coming up and pulling all the plants, but yeah. Anyways, here we go. Let's start this job off. I don't know if you can see all those. Oh, we starting to get the tub filled all up. Oh, I gotta show Carmela. And da 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 da. Look at that. We got cauliflower. I'm so excited. Yeah. Anyways, and then I wanted to show you guys some beautiful jalapenos. Oh, look at all these. They just grew in drones. I don't know what happened, but they just started off. Cherry tomato plant over here is just kicking now. I don't know what happened, but it's just flourishing. Anyways, I'll be back. Just gonna show you guys some fun stuff of me picking. Like the Juliet actually grew into this cherry tree. Look, I was right beside a cherry tree, right inside of a cherry tree. Look at these little babies. They just little small cherries. Love it. Look at that. This is amazing. So you let them go a little longer than they should, and they start splitting. Like all this stuff. Oh, I found some more cherries. Oh. Oh, look at that. Amazing beautifulness. And all the product that actually goes to waste, like this stuff, I'm actually leaving it in the garden bed because it'll add more nutrients to the ground for next year. And I'm playing it forward because I want this person that's here next year to have a nice garden. But anyways, I'm just gonna start picking some more. Look at this. I can't believe that. These peppers are kicking butt. Love it. And I got cauliflower. I am so happy. Just wanted to show you guys the harvest. I can't believe that. Oh, it's a full. Anyways, I'll just get you in here. We can look around together. Well, first of all, the tomato there's done. Look at all these tomatoes. They're actually amazing. Wait a second here. Amazing. I'm telling you, look at this big boy tomato at the bottom. Oh, look at that big one. And that one, and that one. But that's, somebody left it there. I couldn't believe it. And then the whole spotlight of the day. Let me see. Is it ready to be picked? Oh, it is. Blah, 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 blah. Look at that. That's the Cajun bell peppers. Tomato. It's got some stripes in it. It's done. But that's the one plant that actually had to be transplanted. So, anyways, at least I know I can grow them out of nowhere. And if you look at those, that plant, and you look at these plants, I've been watering that. Look at how beautiful that is. There's gonna be a lot that I'm doing next year up at the cottage, and yeah, I just want to keep on improving. I don't know how the onions are growing, but they're growing. Not the best harvest, but at least I know what I'm going to be getting into next year. You know, it's all trial and error, but I still can't believe the cauliflower and the jalapenos. Everything's been good to me this year, so next year, this was my trial and error year. Anyways, like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications. Coming up with more amazing stuff. My editing skills, they're not 100% yet, but they're getting better. But I think, personally. Put a little comment on the bottom if you think I can improve on anything on this channel. If you guys have any suggestions that you'd like to see up at the cottage or down here, or, you know, even me going for a tour in Toronto, or up at the cottage going for more tours. There's so much stuff to do in this world, and yeah, I'm just here to have fun. We're gonna be up at the cottage this weekend coming up, so I'm gonna be bringing you some more stuff. I'm gonna be putting the roof on, then I gotta put all the OSB sheets on up there, so that should be something that I get to look forward to. Yeah, it's kind of funny. I'm down here, I go to work. It's work, but it's not actual physical labor. When I go to the cottage, I actually work harder up at the cottage than I do down here. It's kind of funny that way, but you think it'd be the opposite way, but no. Anyways, it's just bettering. It's all about making something from nothing. I don't know where that slogan came from, but I love it. And everybody have an amazing day. This is CJM Farms out. Carmela says hello, and she loves how this channel's growing. Keep up the good work. Have a good day.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors.